Good afternoon, everyone. After a long time, I thought of doing a session on indices. The fifth question on exercise 23.1. Sorry, 13.1, I suppose. So let's start the parts under the fifth question. Okay, under this our first question. There's an example given, right? There's an example given. 6y altogether squared is equal to 6y times 6y, and this is equal to 36y squared. This is the formula, this is the way we have to get the answer. This is the method and this is the answer. Same way, suppose a question like this: 3x altogether squared. 3x altogether squared means 3x times 3x, or we can say 3 times x times 3 times x. 3 times 3 is 9, x times x is x squared. So without going this further, we can straight away write 3 times 3 9 and x times x x squared like this. Okay. Suppose a question like this, second part. That is also the same way. 5a squared all together. This means 5a times 5a. 5 times 5 means 25. A squared. A times a is a squared. Third question. 7m altogether squared. 7m altogether squared means there are two 7m's has to be multiplied with each other. 7 times 7 49, m times m squared, so it is 49 m squared. Fourth question. Okay, fourth question, it is say 2x altogether cubed. That means you have to multiply 2x by itself 3 times. Hence the answer is 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. X means x times x, x squared times x, x cubed. Okay, x times x means x squared, and another x means x cubed. Okay. Fifth question. 4n altogether square. 4n altogether square means 4n times 4n. Okay, 4 times 4 or 4 squared means 16. 4 times 4 or 4 to the power 2 means 16. N times n means n squared or n to the power 2. So this is the answer. So this is how we get the answers for the first 5 questions. First question, 3x squared means 3x times 3x. 3 times 3 means 3 squared or 9. X times x means x squared or x to the power 2. Same as 5y altogether to the power 2 means 5 times 5, 5 squared or 5 times 5 means 25. A times a means a squared or a to the power 2. 7m altogether squared means 7m times 7m. 7 times 7 means 7 to the power 2 or 7 squared or 49. Okay. M times m means m squared or m to the power 2. 2x altogether to the power cube means 2x has to be multiplied with each 3 times. So 2 times 2, 4 and 2, 8. Or 2 times 2 multiplied by itself 3 times means 2 to the power 3. Same as x multiplied by 3 times means x to the power 3 or x cube. Okay. Now next is 6th question. If you are still having doubts, better go through our first couple of sessions on indices. This is the second part of indices. There are more sessions being done in the previous days, during the previous days, maybe a month or a half of a month before I discuss what indices were. Next is 3y altogether cubed. That means 3y times 3y times 3y. 3 times 3 times 3 means 3 to the power 3. That means 3 times 3 9, 9 times 3 27. 3 to the power 3 means 27. Y by itself 3 times means y cubed. Or y to the power 3. 8th question. 8th question is 4x all together to the power 3. Okay. 4x all together to the power 3 means 4x times 4x. Okay, 4 by itself 3 times means 4 to the power 3 or 4 to the power 3 means 64. 4 times 4 16, 16 times 4 64. X by itself 3 times means x cubed. So it is 64 x cubed. Next is 5m altogether to the power 3. That means 5m times 5a. 5 times 5 25, 25 times 5 125 or 5 to the power 3. M times m means m squared times m means m to the power 3 or m cubed. Now there's a new type, that is x. That means 10th sum, it is x over 2 all together to the power 2. Okay, we can write like this, x over 2 times x over 2. Okay, now 2 is below x, or 2 is acting like the denominator. So we have to multiply 2 by 2 here. And above the numerator we have to multiply x by x. X by x means x squared over 2 times 2 means 2 squared, or 2 squared means 4. This is how we write x times x squared, and then we have to multiply denominators. 2 times 2 means 4 or 2 to the power 2. But you have to evaluate straight away, you have to give 4. Next is 1 over x all together to the power 3. Okay, this means 1 over x times 1 over x times 1 over x. X times x means x to the power 2 or x square. X by itself 3 times means x cubed or x to the power 3. 1 by itself 3 times or however time means answer is 1. X by itself 3 times means x to the power 3. Okay, next couple of sum is like this. Okay, 12th one is our next sum. Okay, 12th sum. 12th sum is y over 3 all together to the power cube. Y over 3 all together to the power cube. This means y over 3 times y over 3 times y over 3. Okay, y times y means y squared times y means y cubed. So y times y means y to the power 2 times y to the power 3. Divide by 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 3, 27. Or 3 cubed. 3 cubed means 27. You have to write 27, not 3 cubed. Next is the 13th sum under 5th question. That is 2x over 3 all together to the power 2. 2x over 3 all together to the power 2. So it will be like this. Okay, it is like this. 2x to the power 3 times 2x to the power 3. 2x divided by 2 altogether square means you have to multiply 2x over 3 times 2x over 3. Hence 2x times 2x means 4x square. 2 times 2 is 4, x times x means x square. So 2x times 2x means 4x square or 4x to the power 2. 3 times 3 means 9 again. Okay, we can write this 2x over 3 and 2x over 3 like this. 2 times x times 2 times x over 3 times 3. Okay. 2 times 2 means 2 squared of 4. X times x means x squared. Same as 3 times 3 means 3 squared of 9. This is the answer. Okay, we can't write this method here. Okay, we've grown up now. Hence, we have to evaluate the answer straight away. 2 times 2 means 4. X times x means x squared over 3 times 3 means 9. Next question. Next question is 5 over m altogether, 5 over m altogether square x iv. So it will be 5 over m times 5 over m. Okay, 5 times 5 means 25, m times m means m squared. This is the answer. Finally, last part. 3y over 4x, 3y over 4x, all together to the power 3 over cube. That means 3y over 4x times 3y over 4x times 3y over 4x. Okay, I am going to multiply 3 by itself 3 times. 3 times 3 means 3 squared. 3 squared times 3 means 3 cubed. Okay, 3 cubed means 27. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. So 3 cubed means 27. Y by itself 3 times means y cubed. Y times y squared. Y squared times y means y cubed over y to the power 3. So it will be y cubed over y to the power 3. Same as here. 4 times 4 means 4 squared times 4 means 4 cubed. 4 cubed means 64. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus times 4 means 64. X times x means x squared. Times x means x to the power 3. X times x means x to the power 2 times x to the power 3. So this is the answer. This is like this. 3y over 4x can be expanded like this. 3y times 3 times y times 3 times y times 3 times y. Denominator 4 times x times 4 times x times 4 times x. 3 times 3 9, 9 times 3 27. Y by itself means cube. 4 times 4 16 times 4 64. X by itself 3 times means x cube. Okay. So our final answer here should be this. Okay. Right. That's it for today. Thank you very much.